Hey y'all, yes, like my hair, yeah, gorgeous. So I am making today, you gotta guess, look, I am making ground turkey with bell peppers, but that's not all, but look at how good this looks. It's so yummy, so good. Let's cover it. Oh yeah, I'm loving it. So my sister gave me this little clip. Isn't it so cute? Oh, I love it. I love it. So this is squash and zucchini I'm gonna make with the food, but you gotta guess what I'm making. Also, look. Sweet potato girl, yes. Look at that steam, Yes, girl, yes. So let me know what you guys think I'm gonna make with all these ingredients. And I'll see y'all later. Bye.